Hello everyone, it's me Yusuf. I'm back today with you with a new tutorial. It's called Massing in Revit. So what is this? Massing means making a basic 3D shape to plan the general look of building or anything you want to do before getting into the small details. So in this tutorial we are going to explain how to use this tool and we are going to make many exercises. So please, before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe because this will help me a lot. Also, you won't miss any of my future tutorials. So let's go and do it. So how we can get in massing in Revit? So there is two way. First way, massing on site. Click here and then I will go to show mass by view setting. I will click, then I will click in mass place, and then I need to rename our mass. So another thing, I will go to architecture, component, model and place, and I will press on keyboard M, so it's called mass, and then I will press OK, and then I will create my mass. But before this, I'm going to south level. I'm going to add a new level. If you don't know how to do it, I will go to architecture level, or I will click on keyboard LL and make offset, let's say 4 meter or 4000 millimeter. So now I'm going to massing and site. Already it's turned on, so I will click in place mass. I will rename it mass 1. It's okay. Then I will go to okay. I will go to level 1. So we have a new things we didn't see it before. It's create. So create, it's a creation of a solid form or a void form. So if I'm going to make a rectangle here, and let's make it 5 meter by 8, there is something new here, create form. We'll create a solid form or void form. If I select this is a rectangle and I will click create solid form, I will go to 3D view. You will see that I have rectangle with volume. So if I'm going to select the surface of this is rectangle, how I can select it? I will put the line of mouse on this line, then I will press on keyboard tab until I can select this is surface. What I can see here an gizmo. It's like a tool for let us control or to extend. This is shape, rectangular shape, to drag it right, left, move it forward, so I can do what I want. Another thing I want to do, I want to make a void form. So how we can do a void form? Let's make a cylindrical void form inside this is rectangular shape. I'm just making intersection. Then I'm going to wireframe. I can see our line, and I will try to make a circle with radius let's say 1 meter. I can delete this is intersection line, I don't need them. I'm just going to click to this circle that I did, and then I will create void form. So I will go to 3D model, and then I will I will create the void form again. And as you can see here, there is an gizmo. I'll just move it up, and now I make an cylindrical empty void. So as you can see, we have rectangular with it with a big hole with radius 1 meter inside it. So another thing I'm going to do it, let's make a like maybe we can make rectangular again here, rectangle, doesn't matter. Then I will go to level number 2. I'll try to make intersection for this is rectangle to make a circle in the center. For me it's more easy to do like this, and then I will go like here and make any circle. I can go to 3D to level 3, but I can't see nothing. Why? Because our view range is only on level 3. So if I will press VR and I will make level view depth or level unlimited, I can see everything. But let's say I don't want to make unlimited to see everything. If I will make minus 5000 here, so I can see the circle with the intersection line. Let's see, yes. But why I can see the rectangular because the rectangular is on the level 1, and from level 3 to level 1 we have 8,000 millimeters. So I will press view depth minus 8,000 millimeter. I'll press OK so I can see this line. So by pick line tool, I can click on one line, click tab and press OK so I can have another rectangle or rectangular shape. So I will click for this is I don't need this is intersection line anymore, so I can click here, here and select them, create void, uh, create solid form. Sorry. Another thing I want to do to make an reference plane, so I will add the reference plane here. I will name it number 1. I will add two reference plane with offset 2 meters. So I will make offset plane like this. I will name it number 2. You should rename always your reference plane to don't lose to don't be lost when you want to select them. So I'm going to the 3D view. Where is our reference plane that we created? Simple. How we can see them? We go to set. I'm going to reference plane number 1, then I will press show and it will show me our reference plane. So I'm going to the south view, and then again I will select our reference plane that I create, and it show me where this is the reference plane. So I'm going to make an SP line here, one like this, like this, like this, like this, and then I will do the same uh, for reference plane number 2, but I will change little bit SP line like this, like this, like this, and I'm going to 3D model. You see I have two lines but in different places. I will go to south view. Also I will go select reference plane number 3, and then I will draw another line like this, like this, like this, like this. So I will go to 3D model and select this is three lines in different reference plane. So I'm going to create solid form, and as you can see I have like a complex roof or sheet, as you want. You can call it what you want. Another thing I'm going to explain about revolving. So what's revolving? You will see and understand. So I'm going to make a reference plane here. I will make revolving, and then I will move it little bit here, and then I will go to 3D model. I will go to create. I will going to set our revolving reference plane, and then I will create a reference here, and then I will try to make a semicircle, let's say from here. Let's make semicircle from here to here, and then I will select this is reference plane with this semicircle, and I will create form. Sorry, there is something. Sorry. I will click here, and I will create solid. There is a problem here because uh, this is should be set reference plane and revolving, and this is reference plane. Again I will set this is revolving reference plane. I will make reference here, and then I'm going to make a semicircle from here to here, and then I'll select this one. Let's move it like this. I'll select this is semi-surface, and this is reference plane, reference line, and I will make solid form. As you can see, this is an sphere. I made it. So if I will click on this and I will move it like this, so we will have as a ring. So last thing, I'm going to make a spline through point. So I will go to make an a spline with point, like this is a reference point, so I will go to 3D view. I will go to set our reference plane, and this is point, and I will make a rectangle. Then I will go to another reference point here, and I will try to, let's make it here, this one, and I will try to make also different kind of rectangle. Also, I'm going to another reference point here, and I will also make a rectangle. I will go to here, also make it like this. Also, I will go to the last reference point, and let's make it something like this. So I'm going to select this all, and then I will go to create solid form, and as you can see we make a complex form. So I hope you learned something new about meshing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this is video, so you won't miss any of my future tutorial in the future. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.